Hello everyone, this video is for CMPE285 team project presentation and demo. We are team unknown. Our team has 3 members, Qing Huang, Mengzeng Rao, and Jiarui Hu. So let's start our presentation. Our overall architecture. We use Python 2.7 as main programming language throughout this project. We use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap for front-end UI design. We also use highchart.js to plot historical data tree. We use Flask framework to connect backend and frontend together and transfer data between them. The left side, the diagram is our working directory. Our filters, we provide investment strategy for 5 investment methods include stock select and money distribution among selected stock. We provide current overall portfolio value. We also provide 5 days historical portfolio value and plot it through a line graph. We also have some extra filters. We provide 5 days historical price for selected stock for user to easily see which price is going up and going down. Our UI design website scales for the screen size as well. You can also view our website from larger screen or the phone or the tablet. Those challenges we meet. Since all our team members are new to Python, we have to learn it first, and we use Flask framework, and it's hard to pass value from the Python to the render template. Sometimes when you pass a list value from Python to the render template, the HTML automatically change the single column to some other random value in the HTML. Our team formation problem. We used to have 5 members in our team, but the professor says we have to. The group size is 2 to 4, so we have to divide our team to 2 parts. So for now, we only have 3 team members. The other thing is like how to collaborate with team members and assign tasks. Since it's approaching the final period, everyone is pretty busy, so it's hard to find the same time that everyone can work together for this project. There's also one challenge is catching real financial data by calling API and extra stock data. At first, we are trying to use the Yahoo Finance API, but it seems didn't work after November, so we had to find a brand new one, the Quadron API. Okay, that's all the challenge we have made. So this is my presentation. Let's do the demo. Just go into our root directory and type Python run app. So the Flex help us to open a port at localhost 5000. So let's go to the localhost 5000. So this is our front page. We have like 5 investment strategy: ethical investment, growth investment, index investment, quality investment, and value investment. Under the title, we add a little description for what is this investments mean. Ethical investment is any investment strategy which thinks to consider both financial return and social good to bring about social change. So let's enter the amount we want to investment. Let's say the 5000. Oh, yeah. So for test the 10 test case, the first one is provide investment strategy for the ethical investment. Include 3 stocks selected and money distributed among this stock. So let's enter the amount 5000. Submit. So this is our investment result recommendation. The investment amount is 5,000, and we recommend three stock: AAPL, ADB, and NSRGY. And the money distribution is 50% for the AAPL, 30% for the ADBE, 20% for the last one. And our test case 2 is provide 5 days historical stock price for 3 selected ethical investment stock and 5-day historical portfolio value, and plot all this data trades through trend line. The number 2 test case, the first line is AAPL. You can see the date and the actual stock value increase from 172, 172, 176. Oh, here 172, 172, 173, and all the data is real data we pull from the internet. So to run our test case, you have to connect to internet first, then run our app. The second is ADB, and the lower value is NSRGY, which is kind of cheap, 85, and the lower bound is our historical price for ethical portfolio. Also the date for the overall value, and this chart is going up, going down. Our third test case is provide investment strategy for growth investing, includes 3 stocks selected and money distribute among 3 stocks. So for the growth investment, it's a style of investment strategy focused on the capital appreciation. Let's enter the amount of 5,000. Your investment result is here. Investment amount is 5,000, and the money distribution is TSLA for 50%, Intel for 25%, Amazon for 25%. And for the test case 4 is we're plotting this graph correctly from the online data, historical data for individual stock, and this is for the date, this is for the value, and we can see each value clearly. By the way, we use highchart.js to plot this graph. And this one is for historical data for growth portfolio. Our input value is 500, and the stock change your portfolio actual value will also be changed. Our test case 5 is providing investment strategy for index investments, including 3 stocks selected and money distribution. An index fund is also called index trade tracker, is a mutual fund or exchange trade fund ETF designed to follow certain present rules so that the fund can be tracked for a specific basket of underlying investments. Let's enter the fund, maybe increase a little more, 6,000. So this is our result. Investment amount is 6,000. The distribution is evenly distributed. For each stock is 33%. This graph is for test case 6, the historical data for individual stock, and also the historical data for index portfolio increase. The test case 7 is for quality investment. We will have the customer to select 3 different stock and the money distribution. The quality Investing is an investment strategy based on the set of clearly defined fundamental critical that sync the identity companies with outstanding quality characterize. Let's enter the amount 7,000. This is the investment result. Investment amount is 7,000. We distribute the money 50% for the Facebook, 20% for the Microsoft, 30% for the Disney. That for test case 8 is the historical stock price. The stock price and the historical data for the quality portfolio. Our last investment strategy is value investment. Value investment is an investment paradigm which generally involves buying securities that appear underpriced by some form of fundamental analysis. Let's enter amount 5,000. This is our investment result. Investment result is 5,000. We distribute 80% for the Netflix, 15% for Twitter, 5% for Google. And this is for the historical data for individual stock. Also the historical data for the value portfolio. So this is our basic five investment strategy. So for the last test case is for test the website skill for screen size. So for now it's a full screen, but we can exchange to the smaller one, which is also works. Just randomly click inside one, it's like 5,000. Which will be work fine here, just all the result and diagram will become smaller. So this is our team's demo for the team project. Thanks for watching.